What's up, my name is Casey Kelly. Listen, I'm here today to tell you about an amazing new product that Warranty Life has actually just partnered with. It's a company called Slick Gadget. Now, this is a liquid tempered glass product. The product's name is Titanium Armor. It will actually protect your phone so it doesn't end up looking like this. Listen, smashed screens is what I deal with every single day. I have 12 retail locations across multiple states that fix phones every day. And I can tell you that if you don't get something to protect the screen, you're gonna end up looking like this, right? So the objective is instead of looking like that, you end up looking like this. Yes, they're different colored screens, but at the end of the day, listen, the goal is that it doesn't break. This beautiful iPhone or Samsung series was built beautifully and it should stay that way. So the liquid glass product actually goes onto your phone, and instead of having like a bulky piece of glass where the home button doesn't, sit right, you actually have a flat surface that's concentric. It's built how it's supposed to be, right? You get to use your phone the way it was built. Isn't that exciting? Listen, the best part about this is that it not only goes on in less than a few minutes, you can do the installation yourself and you can then be protected. What kind of peace of mind is that? The best part in my opinion about this product is it comes with a screen guarantee backed by Warranty Life. And so at the end of the day, if your screen does end up breaking with it on there, they're gonna take care of it. So let's say, for example, you're out and about, you're a construction guy, you got your phone in your hand, and I don't know, some dude throws a hammer at it, right? And it hits the phone. Well, with this liquid product, which is on the screen right here, you are more likely not to break the screen. Now, you don't wanna end up like this phone, which I hit all the time just to show people you don't want a cracked and broken screen. The smart choice, in my opinion, is get the Slick Gadget product and get ultimate peace of mind. Don't wait. Don't delay. Let's get you taken care of today.